So I'm just gonna now take the cupcakes out of the oven. Okay, so I kind of already turned off the oven and to stop them from burning. And I couldn't do it with all of you guys on camera, sadly, because my flatmate wanted to use the kitchen. One of my flatmates. So, yeah, don't do my mistake. Still hot. They kind of merge together. Always leave a bit more space between each cupcake case. Just don't do what I do, because it's like gone completely together. So yeah, anyway, it weren't like completely bad. I mean, they didn't burn. So yeah, anyway, thank you all for watching this video. If you have any queries, questions or concerns, please comment them in the comment section below. If you have any suggestions of any types of like videos or songs or anything, then please comment them down below. Anything else, any thoughts about this video, please comment them down below. If you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel. If you like the content and my videos, then can you please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. So anyway, thank you all for watching this video, and thank you all for being on a journey with me. Take care and see you all in the next video. Bye!